Give to me your phone, please.
The oval part of the cartouche, this is the earth. Bottom of the cartouche is the sky. These lines in between is the air. So you're talking of earth, sky, air, together makes life. So when you put your name in here, you give yourself life to live, and your name will be surrounded by the edge of the earth around. That means reincarnation, life after death. That particular cartouche was not allowed for the public to wear in the ancient time. Only royal family used to wear the cartouche. Okay? So, what we do here, we're going to take your name in English, translate your name in hieroglyphic, show you how is your name going to look. Yeah. Show you how is your name going to look, and also tell you the meaning of your name. And are you married?
Yes.
Good for you. Then I would be more than happy to take the chance today. Take your name and your wife's name down on a piece of paper, translate it to you, and show you how is the name going to look, and also tell you the meaning of the name. It could be good or bad, because we're going to do it in hieroglyphic language. Okay. And then we make a double-sided cartouche. You will have your name and her name together there. This is something you do it once in a lifetime. You always have it, and you pass it to generation in the family. Okay. And it's a unique thing. Okay? How you spell Ola?
Let me know my full name. Let me write it.
Your first name, up, down. O-L-A.
That's me.
And surname? Okay. Now pay attention, because this is quite educational for you. Your name, letter O, start with the quail.
The light is not showing well.
That means good heart.
Okay.
ممكن تفتح
Yeah.
عشان أعرف أصور الفيديو.
You'll be getting the real thing anyway.
Oh, okay.
Ola, it's good heart and innocence for the quail, the lion for strength and power, okay? And then the A is an eagle for being bossy, which is not bad. All men are. That's what women say, right? And then the water wave for long life and reincarnation and good health. You're going to live long, healthy life. And then the bamboo for intelligent. You know too much. And then this is what? A Y?
Why? Yes.
Y is the two feathers of freedom. You believe in very strong freedom in life. And this is another I, double intelligent. This is how is your name going to look. Good heart and innocence, strength and power, bossy, long life and good health and reincarnation, intelligent, freedom, intelligent. You and your wife got something in common, which is the same thing here. Very kind heart, takes one to know one. Strength and power, okay? And the quail, this is you, correct? You, the quail. O, U, and W is the same. Very kind heart. Very promising, good future. Okay? And another quail here. Very kind heart, twice. And then another strength and power. She's very strong personality.
Yeah.
And it takes one to know one. She's also bossy. This is how is your two name going to look in hieroglyphic after we translate it like this one here. Matter of fact, cartouche, when you do it, you wear it, you will have your wife's name facing inside to the heart.
Okay.
That means love.
Yep.
And cartouche means together forever and come back again, because the surrounding of the earth is, that means reincarnation. To make the cartouche, it take us like good 5 Egyptian minutes to make it to you. Okay? And this is, I would say, 99% of the people come from the United States, all over the world. They end up getting the cartouche because it's very personal, very Egyptian. You can get heavy one like this one. You can get light one like this one. You can get even lighter like this one here. Like this one here. When we make the cartouche, every individual letter, like these letters here, is going to be cut from a sheet of solid gold and welded on here. Take 1,385 degrees to weld the letters on both sides here. Okay? And this is the uniquest thing you can get from our country, Egypt, I would say. If you don't get a cartouche while you're in Egypt, you've never been to Egypt. In terms of
What do you call the oil again?
Papyrus.
Papyrus.
Yeah. Mr. Musa will showing that for you. So have a nice time. I can carry it. I will
Oh.
have a seat. Yeah. Enjoy your coffee.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good, good, good.
So, where are you from, sir?
Well, I'm from Texas.
Texas. Well, it's famous enough. So, before we start, sir, what would you like to drink first? That's your welcome drink, by the way. So, we have here like whatever is hot, whatever is cold.
What? If,
Just water?
yeah,
That's it.
that's it.
Okay. واحدة مية. So right now I'm gonna give you just a brief idea about this plant, the papyrus plant, and how the Egyptians in the ancient times they used it for making the first paper ever made by human beings. Actually, the plant itself was considered as a holy plant in the ancient days, even before thinking of making the paper, and that's because of two main reasons. The first reason, it's the flower, which looks a bit like the sun rays. That's the symbol of Amun-Ra, the god of sun in the ancient time. The second reason was the stem. It's the only plant which has this triangular stem, which is like one face of the pyramid. The pyramid was the symbol of eternity in ancient days, and that's why the ancient Egyptians used to worship this plant in the ancient days. To make the paper itself, first thing we do is just we decide the size. So we just decide just a little one like this. Usually the plant grows over 3 meters, needs two things to grow: very hot weather, lots of water in the same time. And then we remove the outer green skin, which is actually very strong and it's very flexible as well. The ancient Egyptians used it for making things like ropes, hats, baskets, boats, and so on. Someone actually from Norway he made a boat out of this greenish part. His name is Tul Heidel.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So this is the main part we use for making the paper. We just divide it into slices, just like this. But now you see the slices are so fragile, just because the slices contain lots of water, sugar, and also fibers inside. To make the slices flexible, we have to squeeze the water out by using the rolling pin. We also break the fibers inside the slices, just like this. So now you see the slices are much flexible and stronger than before as well. And then we put the slices in the water here for 2 days to reduce the sugar. We have to change the water every day. 2 days only in the water to get this color here, just a clear paper. If we left the slices longer time in the water, like 10 or 15 days, it gets the dark brown shade. The dark paper, it's exactly the same thing, but it takes hard time, whether to make the paper or to paint on it as well. After the time in the water, we arrange the slices in horizontal and vertical positions, just between two pieces of carpet like this or two pieces of cotton. In the ancient days, they didn't have the same thing. They used animal skins in the beginning, and later they used the linen as well. So we can arrange the slices whether this way, like overlap them like this. We can also flap them. It needs to be only horizontal and vertical, which makes the paper really strong actually. Okay. And so on till we complete the full sheet. Okay. And then we're gonna keep all the slices under this press here for 6 days. This is actually the only different thing you can tell. The ancient Egyptians used instead heavy stones, granite stones actually. During the 6 days under the press, the slice is going to stick together naturally. That's because of the cellulose inside the fibers. That acts like a natural glue. No chemical materials at all, by the way. And then we get a piece of paper exactly like this here, whether this or the brownish paper. You see the paper is quite strong. It's very flexible and very smooth as well. Against the light, you can see easily the horizontal and vertical arrangement like this. That's what makes the paper that strong, by the way. The paper accepts any type of colors, any kind of ink. Well, whatever you use in it, it doesn't matter. Last many years, you can tell forever, never fade at all. So this is about the paper. That's it. So